If SketchUp is showing the 0Xc000007B error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get back to modeling as quickly as possible. This error usually points to missing or corrupted Windows files, broken redistributables, or DirectX issues, and in some cases it can also be caused by firewall or security software blocking SketchUp from connecting properly. The good news is that these fixes are simple, and I'll show you the safest order to try them in so you don't waste time guessing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is run the Windows System File Checker. This is one of the most important checks because it looks for corrupted system files and repairs the Windows components that SketchUp depends on. To do this, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the Command Prompt window opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Now let Windows do its thing. This scan may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely. If you see a message saying Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, that's a great sign. In that case, restart your computer right away and try launching SketchUp again. Many times that alone can clear the error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is the Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. SketchUp 2026 relies on the 2015 to 2022 redistributable packages, and both the x86 and x64 versions should be installed on your system, even if you are using a 64-bit computer. A lot of people miss this part, but it matters because some parts of SketchUp or its installer may still call on 32-bit libraries in the background. To repair them, open Control Panel, go to Programs, then uninstall a program. Look for the 2015 to 2022 Microsoft Visual C++ entries. If you see them, right-click each one and choose Change, then select Repair. If one version is missing, download and install it from Microsoft's official site. Make sure you get both the x86 and x64 versions, because having only one can still leave SketchUp broken. After that, restart your computer again and test SketchUp once more. If you are still seeing the 0Xc000007B error, the next fix is to reinstall DirectX. This is often the most effective solution when the issue is tied to graphics-related missing DLL files. SketchUp uses DirectX components for rendering shadows, textures, and hardware acceleration, so if the required files are damaged or missing, the program may fail to start properly. Download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft and run it. Let the installer complete, even if it looks like nothing major is happening. It is designed to restore the optional DirectX files that many applications still rely on. Once it finishes, restart your PC again and open SketchUp. In many cases, this is the step that finally clears the 0Xc000007B error. Now, if SketchUp opens but you run into connection issues like error code 107 or you cannot connect to 3D Warehouse, then you should also check Windows Firewall. This will not fix every DLL-related problem, but it can definitely solve network blocking issues that stop SketchUp from signing in or reaching online services. Search for Allow an app through Windows Firewall in the Start menu and open it. Then click Change Settings. From there, make sure SketchUp 2026 is allowed on both private and public networks. If SketchUp is not listed, use the Allow Another App option and browse to the SketchUp.exe file manually. And if you are using third-party antivirus software like Bitdefender, Norton, or something similar, go into that program settings and add SketchUp.exe to the Exclusions or Whitelist section as well. Security software can sometimes block the very files SketchUp needs to run correctly, so this step is worth checking. Once you have gone through these fixes in order, try launching SketchUp again. In most cases, one of these solutions will solve the 0Xc000007B error and get your software working normally again. The key is to start with the system file check, then repair the Visual C++ packages, then reinstall DirectX, and finally verify firewall and antivirus settings if you are also having connection issues. If this video helped you fix SketchUp, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.